Ana, uy. Pwede pahilom na, saba.
Okay.
Kit mo kung ulo-ulon. Sorry lang. Kira lang. Gusto mo na, nag-shorts lagi mo. Lagi mo nagpajama. Mga lubot.
Kaya naman dito kini.
Namang way lang dito ko sunos.
Ba.
Excuse me.
Love you, ma.
Love you.
Cuckoo Fanta Elephant. Bumbatido. Bungadido. Spino.
Come on, hi, Daniel Gomez. What happened to you? What happened to you, Daniel Gomez? Yeah, thank you, Daniel Gomez. It's color pink. My pajamas color pink. Been a long time. If I don't see you. I don't see you. Is pink one of your favorite colors? Yeah, pink is one of my favorite colors. How about you? What is your favorite colors? Red, blue, purple, and orange. Yeah, that's nice. Red, blue, purple, and orange. How about yellow? You don't like yellow anymore? Like Winnie the Pooh? What is the color of Winnie the Pooh? Is it orange or yellow?
Kanimot ko.
I'm not really sure what's the color of Winnie the Pooh. Nine na music, be?
Suman. Uy, music
Nine
ako.
music. I don't know about yellow, but it's nice. Yeah. Yellow is nice. Uy. Yellow is really nice. So what are you doing over there, Daniel Gomez? Is it fun over there in your house? Yeah, they are playing Roblox. That's Chelsea. They're busy playing all the time. I think I thought Roblox is their medicine. They're always on Roblox playing. They really love to play Roblox. Roblox is their boyfriend.
No, ma, di man na ako person mo.
Boyfriend nila ng Roblox. You know that. They love Roblox so much all the time in their life. And they want to kiss Roblox.
That's not. Dili man, ma. Unsa man ka?
I'm just kidding!
Diyo ka na! Dayon ka!
Dili na!
O, kaniyo ka na! Iyak na eh. Mr. Gali.
Sugap kay Dio.
Dili lang mo ka na, ha?
Dili na. Let's don't talk about Roblox anymore. Because